Hey everyone, this is Amanda from Swift Galleries, and I am back with another quick tip for you. Today we are going to learn how to duplicate existing products. So this would be really helpful for anybody that is using a certain frame that comes in different colors. So the dimensions are all going to be the same, the pricing is all going to be the same. It's just that one thing is different, like a black frame versus a white frame. Or today I'm going to do my standouts. I've got black edging and white edging that come on the standout products that I offer. So I'm going to duplicate the one that I have to allow for the white banding. Okay, so we head into manage and into wall products. And I'm just gonna search here for my standout. There we go. Okay, click the edit button. And right here, the duplicate product, click that. It's going to give you this little pop-up screen telling you basically that, hey, all the information is going to be the same. You're going to need to rename it and add in any extras. So click OK. And here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the copy of. For this, I'm going to change it so that it says white edge. And then same thing right here. I'm going to change this to white. Okay, and then you can pop over here to check to make sure everything looks okay. In my case, I know this is all the same. We're all good to go. So I'm just going to click Save Product. Working on it. Okay, there we go. Product has been saved. So we can go into here, search Standout, and there we go. Now we have the original product I started with, and then the duplicate that I made right there with the white edge. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll be back with some more tips.